Oh, I wanted to make a kind of a video that explains how the door on the autoclave works, because it's, unless you see it, it's hard to imagine what it's doing. Well, or maybe you can, but this is the cover that I took off. This is the door kind of mechanism. It looks like a bank vault, and you can see the thing. It's got this radial structure with all the pins that come out, and they go into these big notches in the autoclave. And then you see what happens is you screw, when you're closing the door, you push this over to the right, and all these go into the holes in the door. I mean, the holes in the autoclave. So I shut this. Rotate this thing in, and it drives it into the thing, and then this thing is like a lead screw that goes in, just keeps turning. When you turn the handle, it's going in, pushing against these, so that it's levering against this between here and that thing. So the tighter you do it, the more the gasket's getting pressed in. This is actually something that, this is like a brake, so that, let me undo it. This is like a diaphragm inside, and it pushes a kind of a thing with cogs that keeps this thing from turning when there's pressure inside. So this will push out and engage, so you shouldn't be able to turn it unless you turn it really hard, and you'll just snap this whole pin off in here. And that happened one time. This square thing got just sheared off. Anyway, I just wanted to show how this worked, because otherwise, anyway, you just can't imagine how elaborate it is. So I threw the thing so they're all to the right, and then I get there's something called the door open thing right here on the screen. So I turn this until it changes to closed. But I put a new gasket on, and I'm gonna have to adjust the whole thing just a little bit, because it's hard to get to that point. It's like a little bit too tight on the switch. And now I went to close, but I had to really push on it. Anyway, I just wanted to show how that worked. Just get some idea. This is like a really interesting looking thing on the autoclave. It's the one on the 4th floor.